Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset Vivo phone and friends how to erase all data on Vivo phone device. Friends, we want to factory reset and how to factory reset today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Vivo phone. So when scroll it, friends click on Vivo phone system setting. After on system setting friends, you can use here friends system navigation setting, language setting, date and time, backup and restore, reset option. Friends click on reset option. After on reset option friends, you want to reset guys your network setting, you can reset, you can fix your network problem from here. So friends click on erase all data factory reset. Hence you want to erase all data. Hence you can see erase all data factory reset. This will erase all data from your phone internal storage including your Google account, system app and data setting, and download apps, music, photos and other user data. Hence you want to delete, means you want to factory reset. So when you can friends click on erase all data and all data will be erased. Your Google account, system app, download apps, music, photos, video, movies, friends you have all will delete when you will click erase all data. Friends, I don't want to erase. Friends, you want to erase, so friends you can erase from here. And guys, before erase, first of all guys, file transfer into any another phone. Friends, you have your photos and videos, so when nearby you can transfer guys file any another phone, and friends after transfer friends you can easily erase all data on your device. So friends, I don't want to erase. Friends, you want to erase, you can erase from here. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Are you friends you understood how to factory reset on Vivo mobile? So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.